Alright, I'm back again. Same vehicle, 2006 Buick LaCrosse. Now I'm back with the rear brakes. What you're gonna need, I already got the tire off, got the vehicle jacked up. What you're gonna need to do with this. This is your caliper again. You need to take off this bolt and at the bottom, this bolt. Let me take these bolts off. I'm gonna come back to you. After removing these two bolts, you should be able just to pull this caliper off. See how it slide out? Bam. Now this caliper is a little different. Let me show you the tool you need to get this caliper done with. This caliper a little different, all right? And then after that, you just pop these out. Not one hand, but you just pop those out. You saw how I popped the first one. I just pop these out, and I'm gonna show you what to do next. After the brake pads are off, it's the same procedure as the front. Take some brake clean. I'm gonna spray the indentations of where the brakes go. I'm gonna spray where the indentation where the brakes go with brake clean and clean it off, and I'll be right back, okay? After spraying them down, just take some brake clean, some brake lube, get some brake lube, and you're gonna put some brake lube right here, and use indentation where the brake pads go. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna come back to you. See the brake pads slide on just like that. You're gonna check your guide pins. You see how these helps the caliper. These are your guide pins for your caliper. See how this one's a little stiff? I'm gonna take this one out and lube it up and make sure it goes back regular. So let me take this out, and then I'm gonna show you what to do with this caliper. You see how it's different from the front? I'm gonna show you the tool you need to press this caliper in, all right? Lube this up, and after that, I'm gonna get right back with you, okay? All right, I'm back. I lubed this up. Just a little bit moving freely now. That's how bad it's moving. You know how it was before. So in order to get this piston down, you need this cube. And I know it sounds silly, you need this cube. This cube, you can find this at Advanced Auto Parts, AutoZone. I'll put descriptions below, the links below if you need to find this tool. This is the only tool you need to drop this piston, because these prongs will fit inside of there, inside of here, and turn. So let me just go ahead and turn this piston in, and I'm gonna get back with you, okay? You see how it goes in the palms? You gotta turn until it gets all the way down. Just turn, 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 turn. And once it's all the way down, it should be able to fit over everything perfectly, just like this. If they don't fit over it like perfectly like that, or don't fit over it perfectly, you gotta push it down a little bit more. Now, carve it perfectly. Now you just put these two bolts back in on the top and on the bottom. Got to get in this thread. And it should come in just like that. And let's tighten these up. I'm gonna get back with you. After everything is tightened on, everything is tightened back on, and you completed the rear brakes. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, you can like and subscribe. I'll come back with more videos.